let's say I have a complex immigration problem. Can any attorney do immigration law legally? Like, can you legally do?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, right? Like, let's say I have my family, and this is a case of whether like my wife is going to be deported or not. I'm probably not going to go to the I don't know, the real estate attorney, right? The guy who does real estate contracts all day, right? The law is very expansive. I find the law very interesting. It's so vast. There's so many little areas.
Hmm.
I'm more familiar with real estate, right? Like, you have attorneys that just focus on water rights. That's the only thing they do, or oil and gas. Even in real estate, there's just these little slivers of like knowledge base. If I had a water problem, I got this ranch, right? I got my neighbor messing up my crop. Hey, I'm just making that right. Like, it's high stakes, right? So I'm not going to go to just any guy. I'm going to go to someone who understands how this works. Would you say that's true in like probate, trust, this kind of thing? Right? People, there are attorneys, they're specializing in this area. They might have a little bit more context.
Yeah, and there's a state bar rule that says an attorney, we're not to take something that we're not competent to handle. So if
Right.
somebody walked in with an immigration question, I'd send them somewhere else because, you know, I could probably get up to speed on it if I cared, but I don't want to. I did some immigration and I didn't like it.
Okay. Yeah. The same rule exists with the Texas Real Estate Licensing Act and the Texas Real Estate Commission, and also the Realtor Code of Ethics as well, which, not all real estate agents are realtors, but all realtors are licensed real estate agents. But the Realtor Code of Ethics, which is, the National Association of Realtors, is a trade group. In the Code of Ethics, it also says the same thing. And so do the TREC rules, which is, if you're not experienced or knowledgeable about an area of real estate, because you're not going to see me try to sell a building, for example, right? I'm not qualified to sell an office tower in downtown Austin, right? There are people at Cushman and Wakefield that will do that. That's all they do. But they also wouldn't be very good in residential real estate, right? So,
Hmm.
we have our lanes just like you. It wouldn't be ethical for me to do other kinds of real estate that I don't know.